Put olive oil with lemon one night before bed in this way that we'll mention to you in this video, and you won't ignore this recipe for the rest of your life. What if I told you that this magical recipe, which is available in every home, could be the key to a huge number of health benefits and prevention of various diseases? We will also discover together the latest proven by modern science about the amazing benefits of this recipe. Prepare your favorite drink and watch with us on this journey the wonderful secrets of this recipe, and make sure that you're in the right place. Before we start, if you have taken olive oil with lemon, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome again. Doctors and specialists in the field of nutrition, alternative medicine, and in the field of general physical health advise taking a mixture of lemon with olive oil on a daily basis in order to achieve the maximum possible benefit from the components of this mixture, which combines the properties of the lemon fruit, which is considered a citrus fruit. Lemon juice is used for cooking, preparing salads, pickles, and preparing drinks. Oils are also extracted from its peels, and it has many benefits for the health of the body because it is rich in vitamins and minerals. And natural olive oil, which is known as the golden liquid, is considered one of the most important and richest plant products on the planet due to its great benefits. It has been known since ancient times, and it was and still is an important and essential part of the diet, as it is considered one of the most powerful oils rich in natural antioxidants and is characterized by its high-value natural composition. In this video, we will present to you the benefits of mixing olive oil with lemon, in addition to how to prepare this mixture and use it in the right ways. Firstly, contributing to weight loss and reducing obesity. Lemon contains vitamin C and citric acid, which helps burn fat in the body, including the abdomen and buttocks, and also stimulates the metabolism process. Olive oil also contains important acids, such as oleic acid, which plays an important role in burning fat and secreting hormones that reduce the desire to eat and feel full. Second, the mixture of olive oil and lemon plays an important role in preventing hepatitis C. This mixture limits the activity of the virus that causes it and prevents its transmission to healthy cells. It also maintains liver functions, improves the levels of its enzymes, and eliminates the toxins present in it. It is known that the liver is one of the most important organs responsible for purifying the blood and is also the first responsible for improving the digestion process. Therefore, this mixture improves liver performance and makes it healthier. Third, reducing the level of cholesterol in the blood and preventing clots. The mixture of olive oil and lemon is considered heart-friendly, as this mixture works to reduce the risk of heart disease and maintain the health of blood vessels by lowering the level of harmful cholesterol in the blood, which works to accelerate blood flow in the blood vessels, allow oxygen to reach all cells of the body, and prevent the occurrence of clots, and also controls blood pressure for those who suffer from blood pressure problems. This, in turn, improves blood circulation and the performance of the cardiovascular system. And this mixture also works to reduce the level of sugar in the blood. Fourth, strengthening the immune system and fighting aging. Regularly taking a mixture of olive oil and lemon makes you look in wonderful health. And when you look at people between the ages of 50 and 70 who don't show any signs of aging and enjoy good health, and you want to become like them, certainly, by taking this mixture, you will look like them because it contains a huge amount of health benefits, including powerful antioxidants and nutritional elements such as magnesium and potassium, which work to prevent the appearance of wrinkles on the face and improve the flow of oxygen in the brain, as it removes the fatty substances accumulated in the brain that causes all these problems, which makes you more youthful and active. Fifth, treating inflammatory diseases. The mixture of olive oil and lemon is one of the natural remedies that enhance the body's ability to get rid of all infections present in it, especially arthritis, thanks to this mixture containing active natural antioxidants and unsaturated fatty acids. Recent studies have proven that this mixture contributes significantly to improving hand pain and treating joint pain. It also works to reduce oxidative stress in individuals suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. Sixth, Improving the performance of the digestive system. Lemon works to speed up the digestion process, while olive oil softens the stomach, which leads to getting rid of indigestion problems that cause gas and bloating. In addition to treating stomach ulcers, getting rid of digestive system disorders and stomach infections, and treating constipation, this mixture also has antibacterial properties that kill bacteria in the body. 7th, breaking up kidney stones. This mixture is considered a magical treatment for kidney stones, as kidney stones are considered one of the most common diseases and cause severe pain to the patient. Studies have shown that a mixture of lemon and olive oil works to get rid of kidney stones, as lemon contains potassium citrate, which works to break up kidney stones, and due to olive oil, the crumbs of these stones move from the kidneys to the bladder to be excreted easily through urination and disposal. 8th, a magical treatment for hair and skin. When applying the mixture to the hair for 20 minutes and then washing the hair afterwards, the mixture makes the hair shine, increases its length, restores freshness, prevents hair loss, and cleanses it. It also gives the hair vitality and protects against baldness, while the effect of this mixture on the skin works to prevent the appearance of wrinkles in the face, lighten sensitive areas, and remove blackheads. It also works to soften the skin and remove dark circles that form under the eyes when applying this mixture to the face or the place you want to lighten for 2 hours, then washing the face. 9th, preventing Alzheimer's disease and strengthening memory. This mixture contains powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals that cause Alzheimer's disease and aging. Extra virgin olive oil also contains oleocanthal compounds, which transport abnormal Alzheimer's disease proteins out of the brain. It also enhances the production of proteins and enzymes that remove beta-amyloid protein and prevent it from accumulating in the brain, which makes this mixture have an effective role in improving memory, in addition to improving brain functions and increasing concentration. 10th, cancer prevention. This mixture has amazing properties for preventing cancer, as lemon has anti-cancer properties because it contains vitamin C and flavonoids, which makes it an effective treatment for cancer prevention. Olive oil also has anti-cancer properties because it is very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, which makes it a food source that helps prevent cancer, especially colon cancer and breast cancer. 11th, this mixture is very beneficial for every man and woman. Once you take a spoonful of this mixture, you'll get energy that will continue with you throughout the day, and you'll feel active, refreshed, and energetic as it increases blood circulation activity. All you have to do is mix a small spoonful of lemon juice with a small spoonful of extra virgin olive oil and take it on an empty stomach or an hour before bed, and take it immediately so that no interaction occurs between the ingredients that leads to losing the health benefits of this recipe. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.